Mr. Al-Hassan
Alabubakar Dimbala from Ghana. He is a businessman and he has accepted Ahmadiyyah today.
Mr. Abu Bakr, what's your question? You read it? Or
the question is, as an Ahmadi Muslim, how important is it that we find an Ahmadi mosque to say prayers in? Can we say our prayers in any mosque?
Ahmadis can say their prayer in any mosque, because according to the Holy Quran, the mosques are built for Allah, and anybody who believes in Allah can go to the mosque. But people, unfortunately, have owned the mosques according to their sectarian attitudes, with the result that they do not permit people, Muslims of other sects, to say their prayers in their mosques. Particularly, they are extremely allergic to Ahmadis. And if, to their knowledge, an Ahmadi says his prayer in their mosque, they might even go to the extreme of murdering him. So it's better not to break their hearts unnecessarily. Let them enjoy their mosque, because they're not the mosques of God, they're their mosques.